Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain hose in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of side cutters. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain hose. The drain hose connects the washer's drain pump outlet to the outer standpipe. The main reason for the drain hose to be replaced is if it cracks, causing a small water leak, if it has a pinhole in it, or a major leak caused by a large crack. We're removing the rear access panel. In order to do that, we need to take out the 4 Phillips screws. So I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to take them out. If you noticed, I'm wearing gloves. This is because of the sharp metal. So I'm going to grab it on both sides, bend it slightly and push it down, and then we can release the top. Then we can pull up the bottom and take out the access panel. Alright, so we're going to place a support on the floor and put a towel on it so it won't damage the washer. And then we can tilt it and place it on the box here. So now we can remove this hose from the drain pump. I would recommend you to use a towel underneath because theoretically there could be water inside. I'm going to squeeze that clamp, move it up, then I'm going to turn the hose side to side and pull it at the same time. Okay, let it down. Alright, next we're going to take out this single Phillips screw that holds that bracket to the cabinet, and we can pull out the bracket with this black hose out. This is the old drain hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is the new drain hose, and I'm going to point something for you guys. This pin here on the new bracket is made for the newer models of the washer. We are working on an older model, so we only have one hole for the screw. So we need to get rid of this pin. I'm going to use the side cutters and we're going to chop it off. Simple as that. So we're going to insert this into the cutout and I'm going to slide this in. Place the bracket over, and I'm going to secure it with the Phillips screw. So now I'm going to connect this hose onto the drain pump outlet. Push it on all the way, and then I'm going to secure it with this hose clamp. And now we're going to install the rear access panel. The top goes first. I'm going to slide it under the 2 clips on the top. And we're going to slightly bend it and put the bottom in. We're going to secure it with the 4 Phillips screws. Alright, so now we can place the washer upright and put it on the feet. Careful, it's heavy. And we can remove this support box. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.